Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your patents with USPTO, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what a patent is and why it's important. A patent grants you exclusive rights to your invention. Research the type of patent you need, utility, design, or plant. Visit the USPTO website for official guidance and resources. Familiarize yourself with the patent application process. Begin with a thorough prior art search to ensure your invention is unique. Use the USPTO's database to assess existing patents. If your invention is novel, document every detail. Create a detailed written description of your invention. Sketch or create diagrams to visualize how it works. Consider drafting claims that define the scope of your invention. Decide whether to file a provisional application or a non-provisional application. A provisional application allows you to secure a filing date with less formality. Prepare your non-provisional application if you seek full patent protection. Complete the required forms, including the application transmittal form. Pay attention to the formatting guidelines set by the USPTO. Submit your patent application electronically via the USPTO's online system. Make sure to track your application status through the USPTO's portal. Be prepared for correspondence from the USPTO examining your application. Respond promptly to any office actions or requests for additional information. Monitor your patent's status regularly after filing. Understand the maintenance fees required to keep your patent active. Consider consulting a patent attorney for complex applications. Stay informed about any changes in patent laws or USPTO procedures. Protect your rights actively and be vigilant against infringement. Educate yourself on licensing options if you wish to monetize your patent. Continue to innovate and build on your intellectual property portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.